Hello guys, this is Royal Creative Design. Today I'll be showing you guys how to manipulate background in Alight motion. Yeah, how to manipulate background in Alight motion. So let's dive right into it. Let's go to the Alight motion app. I just opened it. And let's go to create. I will name our project background manipulation. Then you do your normal setting, whether it's 16 by 9 or 9 by 16. Then you leave the background transparency and you create. Then you pick in the image you want to remove some parts. So for today I'm picking this image. Then you arrange your image, arrange it well. Then the next step is to bring in a shape. So let me bring in this and I'll place it on top of the part that I want to remove. And zoom. Yeah. Then I want to remove this part, so I'm placing it like this. Then the next step to do is to go to effects and go to add effect. Then you go to blur. You're choosing Gaussian blur on it. Then you choose standard as is open. Then you increase the Gaussian blur to increase it like this. 1.900, yes. Is it 1.900? You go back, then you click on blend opacity. Then you go down, scroll down, then you choose on exclude. Then I remove that part. Then you go back, then you merge the image together. Click on this first one. So you click on it. Click on this first one. Yeah, it's done. So the next step is to bring in the second image you want to use. So for the second image, I'm using this. Then you zoom. Then you arrange it down. You Google it. Then you also zoom to make sure that it's fitting well. Yeah, I think like this is perfect. Then you bring the image back. It's back. And next step, so if you check now, it's not placed. So let's drag this other image downward. Yep. So let's zoom. Yep. Now it's oh. So the next step to do is to go to effects. Then you go to lights. Then you look for this effect called hue shift. This one. Hue shift. That's what you're looking for. So you click on it. Then go to standard settings. Then you increase to make sure it blends with the down color. You see how it's changing. Correct. I think I drag it backward. I think like this is perfect. Yeah, this is it. So now you're good to go. So now you can bring in any other image you want to bring in on top, depending on exactly what you want to do. But see how I blend these two images now. You can do it. Thank you for watching.